I don't know whether if I've heard about Pink App, okay? And what is stopping me is that the people that are using this app, making money on this app, don't want for others to know and join and start making money. Okay, I don't know the reason why they're hiding it from people. Okay, and this app, when you ask them, they will tell you, I have an app that is paying me, settling my bills, doing this one. When you ask them what is the name of the app, they will tell you it's Pink App. They want you. When you go to Google to type Pink App so that you can download and start using it, you will not find it there. You will keep on searching. But today I'm going to expose that app for you guys. Okay, I will expose that app for you guys. What you owns me is to subscribe to my channel, like and comment, share the video so that those that are in need of it will get it. Okay, so now there is a lot of things that you really need to know about this app. This app is so amazing. So before we continue, my name is Bright. Okay, I teach beginners how to make money online. Anything that concern on how you can make money online, this is what I teach. Okay, I do my research and bring legit app, legit things that bring money to the table. That is all I teach. So you will not like to miss any of my video. That reason why you have to follow me, subscribe to my channel and on the notification so that anytime I drop new video you will get notified. This app I'm going to show you step by step. Please, if you use my link and sign on, please just fill your details there. Use your email and set up your date of birth, put your gender. Okay, so let's go. Let me walk you through the app. Okay, let's go to Play Store. Let's go to Play Store. Let's go to, okay, look at it. Come to Play Store, then you type Boloup. Okay, as you can see, it has popped out. Then you click it. So look at it, have already downloaded, so that is why you say open. Okay, so let's wait for it to open. So if you are hearing Pink App, so this is that Pink App you are hearing. So let them not deceive you again. So I'm not going to hide anything for you. So if you love my video, if you love this tutorial I'm doing, please don't fail to subscribe to my channel. Just as I'm saying now, subscribe to my channel and share this video so that it will get to people that need it. Women that love streaming, guys that like betting. Okay, so if you come to this place, if you scroll down, so this is easier way to earn. As you can see, easiest ways to earn. Look at things that you can do to earn. Okay, so if you come to this place, it's going live. If you want to go live, it's this place, creator room, agency room. Okay, this agency room is amazing. You are going to earn coins, diamond, through this agent room. So I will still show you how you can do that. Okay, now so that is how that place works. If you want to go live, either you go live by create room, okay, or agency room. So now this is message. So this is where you got all the messages that they will be given to you. As you can see, agency brokers, that's agency that I just told you. Okay, because I do everything. There are reason why if you check my account, I have 10 diamond. Okay, so that is the real money we are talking about. So right now, these are the messages. Anything the platform is going to send messages for you here. So if you come to this place, this is your profile. As you can see, Bright Obinna. Okay, so my ID card, you have seen it. So I have, if you register, they will give you 500 coins. Okay, so look at the 10 diamond that I told you I have earned in this platform as I just do the tax. Okay, so these are the tax. Let me show you. If you click tax, now it will bring you to this interface. Okay, so as you can see, chart salary levels. So depends on your levels to earn more. Okay, as you can see, so current salary 5,350 per day. Okay, so
As you can see, it's this one 7 days, 5,350 for 7 days. See, income. So right now, when you scroll down, as you can see this place reach 60 minutes mark to earn 2,500 coins. Okay, if you scroll down and reach 120 minutes mark to earn 2,500. If you still go down, a lot of them. Okay, so you come to tax. Okay, as you can see, look at it. So basic salary, okay, 2,500 per hour. Now 35,000 coin is $3. Okay, 3.5 dollar. As you can see, earn salary. So these are the tax. I have completed this one already. This is what I did to earn that 10 diamond. Okay, every day you do your tax, you earn money. This platform, people are making a lot of money in this platform, paying bills. And note this, please, this app is not get quick rich. Okay, it's not get quick rich. I am not going to promise you you will get $1 million dollars, you will get this. No, it is streaming app where you stream, do some tasks, and you earn money, real money. Okay, so it's not get quick rich. Okay, so let's continue. So you do some tasks, then you come back. Okay, so it is how this app work. So I am going to tell you amazing things, okay, where I focus on. I may say also where you can focus. Okay, for those that like football, understand betting, so this ad is for you. Okay, now if you come to this place, invite. Okay, you click invite. Let's wait. Please, if you love this video I'm making, finding value on this video, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, so that anytime I upload a new video, you will get notified. I upload my video 3 times a week: Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Okay, look at this play. These amazing things about this app that other apps cannot, other streaming app cannot pay you this kind of amount of money. Get up to $20 per new host inviting. Okay, you get $20 for someone you invite. Okay, so if you scroll down, look at it. I want you to understand this very well. Invitee downloaded it via your link and it's blow up account. That's someone you invite and is the first time of that person. Okay, and that person download it. This is where you get this money. Okay, so look at what you are up to get in this platform. If you scroll down, you will see levels by levels. Okay, look at them. So this platform pay more than most streaming platform out there. This platform is 100% legit and it pays a lot. It helps people to settle their bills. Okay, let's go back, let's continue. So for those that love betting, guys, this one is for you. Okay, now in this place, Road to Champions World Cup Festival, win $10,000 reward. Okay, as you can see, guys, those that love betting, this one is for you. You can participate and win a lot of money in this place. So these are the good things about this app that I don't want you to miss. So when people are talking about pink app, they will not tell you the real of that pink app. You will go to Play Store to search it, and you are not gonna see it. This is the pink app. Okay, let's go back. So before you get withdraw, I know that is where everybody is waiting for me, how to withdraw the money. You will reach 10,000 diamond before you can withdraw. Okay, and it is very easy for you to get as far as you are streaming. Okay, at least 2 hours in a day. you are going to get this massive money. There is a lot of tasks inside this app that you can do, participate on the app challenges, and start making money for yourself. Okay, so this is how this app work. Thank you very much. Please, if you love this and you know that this video have helped you, please subscribe to my channel. Encourage me by subscribing. My work is for me to do research, get legit app, many ways to make money and bring it to you, something that will help you. I am bringing the solution that will help you. So what you owe me is for you to support me by subscribing to my channel, like and comment and share. Okay, so thank you so much and I love you guys. Shalom.